Hello, my name is Catherine Simone Stanko. I am a full-time artist, and I want to welcome you to my studio today. This will be part one in a two-part series of my work to introduce you to my work MetaLace, which is a metamorphosis of metals and lace, to create a lace-like look and feeling in my work, which you'll see as a consistent thread running through my larger pieces, and then in the second video of my studio created line of jewelry. I have been creating art since full-time since 2007, and I thank you for the opportunity to show you my work today. Now, I work with natural light, and I've done everything I can today to block out the natural light to show you these pieces, so you're going to see some glare. These first three pieces are images inspired by Modigliani's images, which I found rather bereft of adornment. So what I've done is added some oxidized sterling metal lace on them, and these pieces are removable from the shadow boxes and can be worn. They come with chains to wear them. And down below, also in this same series, are some oxidized sterling necklaces. Here we have two pieces that are found in Schiffer Art Publishing's 3-volume series, Artistry and Fiber, and volume 3, Wearable Art. This is a piece called A Single Strand of Sterling. It's one continuous strand of unbroken sterling with detail of freshwater pearls. And my work is based on nature, so you'll see that those themes running through. Here are some pieces from my standard line. These are all in oxidized sterling, which gives a rather dramatic look. Over here we have two pieces in a series I did that I call Works on Paper. I have made paper using my woven copper metal lace as the mold and decal, sometimes turning it out and sometimes leaving it on the copper wire. And these are in shadow boxes. And down below, this is a obi shawl I created with fringe with semi-precious stones, and it is wearable. Here in the shadow box is a rather large necklace of copper circles. And here an older piece that I enjoy wearing myself, made out of sterling with chalcedony and fluorite and other semi-precious stones. Over here are some copper pieces. I love working in copper. And first, here is a pillbox hat with a detachable blusher. This was inspired by Jackie Kennedy's pillbox hat created by Halston for her, and several years ago that hat was that he created for her was exhibited at the Warhol, and when I saw it, it inspired me to create one out of metal lace. Here is a necklace, call it snake and metal lace, and a collar necklace, and just a really fun necklace, and one with flowers that are detachable. And I have it here on a Bookmaker and Muse, an exhibit of early 20th century art jewelry from the Richard Dreyhouse Museum in Chicago, currently on exhibition at the Frick, Pittsburgh, where my jewelry is sold in the museum store. Here's a pair of copper large pair earrings from my studio line. Here are two larger pieces based on seasonal visits to Falling Water. These pieces were exhibited there a while back, and below are some copper pieces from my studio line that I'll be talking about in the next video. Here are some larger pieces, a tangram necklace. A tangram is a puzzle made out of geometric pieces that can be arranged in a square or innumerable other images. And here are earrings that could be mixed or matched. Fun. And here are some larger pieces. These have all been exhibited at different places. Here's another piece from the Wearable Art book. Copper rings with detail of sterling. Here is an obi. And there is a teapot from a teapot exhibition. Over here, we have a few more works on paper. This was called Setting the Family Table, and all of these pieces in the shadow box are wearable. Above, a few more pieces from the collection Works on Paper. This is a still life on paper that I made, and it's called Still Life with Pear. And over here, the last in this series, this is a necklace with flowers dipped in cotton linter. So I want to thank you for joining me on this short tour of my studio. Again, my name is Catherine Simone Stanko, and if you are a gallery or a collector interested in my work, please feel free to contact me at ksstanko@gmail.com, and I look forward to talking with you. Thank you.